everyone, this is Nibiru Watcher. It's September 7th, 2016, and I remember when I had made this video with this sunset time-lapse exposing the lens system in outer space. I believe to be approximately an altitude of about 400 kilometers, because it wouldn't be possible to make one big enough to cover what they need. If they can get closer to the Earth, then they wouldn't have to make them so big. And I mean, look at these rings over here, right? Kind of look like the Olympic rings. And and you can see these lenses everywhere. But I also I'm bringing this up because I want you to show you this perfect oscillating light. See here? And then it pulsates down through the star, and then you can see it here. See? So you can see it oscillating, like whatever it is rotating around that sun. Well, I believe there may be an object very similar to that I have seen caught on the Canadian, Hawaiian, French telescope during the nighttime time lapse. And so, again, keep this in mind of this oscillating light here. And next, let me show you what I caught. This is August 30th, and I want you to catch this light system here. It is presently in the Aquarius constellation, but see this light here and here and here, all equally spaced as they do not rotate with the stars. This thing is rotating. I played a couple times, you could see it. See the light here and even all the way down here. This thing's actually pretty big. And then another day, another part of it comes into focus, connected here, a little smaller portion. So let me, again, equally spaced lights rotating. Okay, you can't say anything other than that ain't normal. That is something that's bending light in outer space. That ain't normal. Okay, they're distorting light, so we can't see what's out there. Look at that thing, just rotating and perfectly spaced apart. Okay, I hope you could see that. So, see this light here? Just moving and rotating. Now, is that the oscillation that we saw in that other video? Next, I want to show you a slightly different day, because we're seeing a little more coming into play. This is getting interesting. So, let's watch this. This was today, the 7th. So let's watch this one. Now watch. Again, we're going to see these equally spaced lights here and here and here. And you can even see the third part over here and here. This other section of it all rotating in motion with it. You have to watch it quite a few times to catch it, but it's there. See it? I'll play it a couple times. You can see it. Equally spaced lights, perfectly rotating, almost the same the way the Earth rotates. Isn't that interesting? What is that? Well, it's some kind of a lens, because it's bending around the stars. And next, I'm going to show you the same thing, but with the constellation charts. And you'll see that this is in the Aquarius star system. Let's wind that back so we can see it here, right through the legs of Aquarius. Right there. I'll wind it back. And if you go back several months, this had disappeared, but now it's reappeared. And now it's in the Aquarius star system. So, next I would like to show you some shadowy planet pictures. And this one is over in Germany. And let me just run the time lapse. And you absolutely couldn't be a spider. I'm not even going to cover that. It's not a spot on the lens because it's moving. It's not something in front of the lens because it's growing in size. Okay, watch this thing move. and watch it form a perfect ball. You know, the fact that it's perfectly round defies everything. What could possibly be perfectly round and be natural at the same time? Look at that thing. And then it disappears. And at the same time, we can see how big that thing is. It's getting bigger. I'm going to make a video of comparative shadows and how big these shadows and planet are getting. And then we've caught it also over Switzerland. And it shows up almost at the same time. See here? This is over in Germany at 6:10. And we can see it remains on the scene for almost an hour. You can see almost make out its plasma. Obviously, it's the shadow of a planet. Anyways, so let's look at this one at the same time. We can see it was there and it's gone. Appears only at 7:10 and then disappears again. And then you can even see this one move too. Probably one of its moons. But I like to focus on the big stuff. Someone wants to say it's a spot in the lens. Part of refute when it stays. This system has been coming at us at a very sharp orbit around Nemesis. If you want to explain, I have a video on how these appear to be still in space. And just go back in my video archives. It explains how these can appear to be almost standing still in space. It's a very sharp orbit, basically races at the Earth around Nemesis and then flies back underneath the Earth again, coming at us almost right at our ecliptic, making this thing hard to watch. This is both these cameras are facing the north and the northwest. So, anyways, you guys please like and share this video and have a blessed day. See you at the Lord's Supper.